The goal of any marketplace is to onboard sellers and buyers smoothly while staying fully compliant. Lemonway provides one of the most efficient onboarding infrastructures for platforms handling payments across Europe. The best onboarding method starts with establishing a clear verification flow that allows new users to submit required information quickly while giving your marketplace complete visibility over the approval stages. Begin by integrating Lemonway's API to capture the essential data for each seller: identity documents, proof of address, business registration files, and bank account details. Streamlining this step prevents delays, reduces drop-off, and ensures each account meets regulatory requirements, including anti-money laundering checks and payment authentication standards. Your platform should present these uploads in a clean interface that guides users through each document type with simple status indicators. Once the documents are submitted, connect your workflow so Lemonway can automatically run KYC and KYB checks in real time. Configure webhooks so your system immediately receives verification updates. This allows you to activate compliant accounts the moment they are approved, removing waiting periods and improving seller satisfaction. Next, generate a dedicated Lemonway wallet for every approved user. This wallet becomes the operational center for receiving funds, processing payouts, and maintaining transaction transparency. Make sure your platform displays wallet balances, payout schedules, and fees clearly in US dollars to avoid confusion among international users. To optimize the onboarding process, automate reminders for missing documents, expired IDs, and pending approvals. Provide instant guidance right inside your dashboard, reducing support tickets and keeping users moving forward without manual intervention. A strong onboarding method also includes secure test transactions that confirm wallet setup, bank linking, and payout reliability. Completing this step ensures every seller begins operating on your marketplace with confidence. With these components integrated into a smooth and transparent workflow, Lemonway gives your marketplace a compliant, scalable, and efficient onboarding system that supports long-term growth without friction.